The Galaxy S23 Ultra is proving to be a fantastic upgrade for everyone, even S22 Ultra owners, and it looks that a new world record for the S23 Ultra is on the way. When Apple released the iPhone 14 Pro series a few weeks ago, they startled everyone by doing something unexpected. They said that the iPhone 14 Pro Max has the brightest display ever placed on a smartphone. The 14 Pro Max has a 2000 nits display, whereas the S22 Ultra has just 1715 nits, however that seems to be changing lately. As the 23 Ultra's display will be even brighter than the 14 Pro Max at over 2200 nits peak brightness, which is much brighter for absolutely everyone, Samsung will break a new world record for the brightest display anywhere. It's probably 45% more efficient than its predecessor, and the display can be dimmed even lower than the 22 Ultra. Finally, it's amazing to see how Samsung continues to push the frontiers of display innovation. Satellite communication is now available on smartphones. Actually, one of the most notable features of the iPhone 14 series is the satellite connectivity mod, which allows iPhone 14 users to contact emergency services from anywhere in the universe, even if Wi-Fi networks and broadband connections are unavailable. Now that the Galaxy S23 Ultra has satellite connection characteristics, it seems that Samsung is working on introducing text messages and low-resolution picture sharing to the Galaxy S23 through satellite communications. Google is already working on a print invention for Android 14, which will have built-in support for this capability. You would believe Samsung is attempting to imitate Apple again, but that's not the case, according to South Korean media. For the last 2 years, Samsung has been collaborating with Iridium Communication to deliver this functionality to smartphones. Although it will be interesting to see how broadly accessible this will be, considering Apple's satellite capability is now only available in the US and Canada, Samsung has finally surpassed Apple in one crucial area by a significant margin. Yes, according to Golden Reviewer leaks, this GPU benchmark results reveal that the Snapdragon 8 General 2 is slightly ahead of the Apple A16. Not only Qualcomm, but MediaTek is also looking fairly good, obviously behind the Apple M series and demonstrating the ultimate strength of the 8 General 2. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe. Peace out.